Welcome. Today we take you on a journey of ambition and courage, the journey of Dupleix Edzoa, hailing from the far-off lands of Cameroon. Our story begins at the Turkish factory CEKA, specializing in gearbox parts for trucks, boasting clients from across the globe. One of these clients is Dupleix Edzoa, a business-minded and inventive mechanic from Cameroon, who began his work with the CEKA factory in 2020. He started with a simple order that did not exceed $1,000, which consisted of a single set to trial and scout for potential customers. In no time, Dupleix's orders expanded, reaching $5,000 every month or two, due, firstly, to his dedication and marketing efforts, secondly, to his provision of professional installation services for the parts on trucks, and thirdly, by offering the necessary guarantees to his clients in Cameroon. In 2021, the real story began when Dupleix established his own company, ETSGD, and his sales escalated, reaching $25,000 every 2 or 3 months, with annual sales not less than $100,000. Now, we're in 2023, where Dupleix's orders reach $80,000 every 3 months. The annual sales are expected to be no less than $300,000. But that's not all, as he now aspires to achieve annual sales worth $500,000 in the coming year, 2024. Witness the latest shipping process by clicking the YouTube card button above. In reality, Dupleix Edzoa's path was not strewn with roses. It was filled with challenges and obstacles. But as the saying goes, an easy road does not make a hero. Despite his humble beginnings, Dupleix was determined to achieve his goal. He faced fierce competition, not only from other companies in Cameroon but also from Chinese and Italian products. This unfair competition was one of the biggest challenges he faced. However, thanks to the continuous support from the CEKA factory and his commitment to providing the best service to his customers, Dupleix was able to overcome these challenges. The support team at the CEKA factory was always at his side, helping him solve the logistic problems he faced. Even amidst fierce competition and logistic problems, Dupleix never surrendered. Instead, he continued to work hard, believing that he could achieve his goal. This is the true spirit of entrepreneurship. Not only success, but the ability to deal with failure and continue striving towards the goal, no matter the difficulties and challenges. We are excited to see what Dupleix will bring in the coming year, 2024. Will he achieve his goal? We are confident that he will give it his all. Join us in our next journey, where we will tell you a new story of Dupleix's success. We are sure it will be an inspiration to us all. This information was published in coordination with Mr. Dupleix. We have a vast array of success stories from our distinguished customers. And should any of our clients wish to share their story, we are ready and honored to do so.